So I'm probably going to move way more towards we're still going to do the same things. We're still going to shape data. We're still going to transform it, and we're going to get it into reports. However, I think the programming language we use to get it there will just be natural English language, and we're going to use a lot more of the MCPs, the LLMs, large language models. We're going to use a lot more AI to help us shape and conform and shape data in a way that is an efficient use or optimization of stuff. So the AI will be able to know every bit of language of SQL. The AI will be able to know every bit of language of Python, Spark. I mean, it already does. It already knows more of these experiences than Tommy, you and I could ever learn in a lifetime. So to have something that is super knowledgeable around the syntax, the language of things, we don't need to program all the details anymore. We can focus more on these, flow diagrams and what is conceptually need to happen with the information in the data. And we can let the AI figure out the code it needs to write in an efficient way, even to build that table or that information that we want to produce. So I really do think there's a lot of interest around, I want to chat or talk or, say words to a model and get visuals back, basically. I think that's where we're going. And I think Microsoft with their Copilot home experience is getting there. I don't think any one company seems to have this dialed in and nailed. I have not seen any experiences in this space that really wow me yet. So I think in the next 4 years, Tommy, we're going to do a whole lot less of building and clicking the buttons and writing our own code. We're probably going to do a lot more of checking and verifying that the AIs are doing things. And at some point, it's going to get so good, we're going to not even need to do that anymore. We'll be able to say, write a Python notebook that does this and have tests at the end that do this and write the data here. And it will just figure it all out and just know how to build everything for us. And so we'll do a lot more of the code will still be under the hood, but we're going to be able to spend a lot more time at the higher levels thinking through what we want to do with the information. So that's kind of my prediction there.